The Las Vegas Spaghetti Bowl refers to a complex interchange where several major highways converge in Las Vegas, Nevada, resembling a tangled bowl of spaghetti due to its intricate layout of ramps and flyovers. It's officially known as the Spaghetti Bowl Interchange. It serves as a critical transportation hub for the Las Vegas Valley, facilitating traffic flow between Interstates 15 and 515, the Las Vegas Beltway, and US Route 95. The interchange plays a vital role in accommodating the city's significant tourism and commuter traffic. This area of the freeway has had a high accident rate, often multiple crashes daily. Excessive speed, reckless driving, and unsafe lane changing are factors. Extreme caution is required, especially among new drivers. Practicing driving on the Spaghetti Bowl first with a parent or driving instructor will help you become familiar with the interchange and reduce anxiety when driving it in the future.